Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing Windows 10 Home Edition. This is 32 and 64-bit. Here's how it comes packaged to you. There's a sticker at the top that I'm not so sure about that may show my product key, so I will not show you the top of this. But here it is in the retail box. The link to this will be in my video description below, so you can check it out on Amazon if you're looking for Windows 10. There's a Home Edition and then a Windows 10 Professional Edition. This one is cheaper, but doesn't have all the features for Windows 10 Pro, which honestly, if you ask me, I don't even know how to explain the differences. So when in doubt, this one will be good for you, but if you're worried, just buy the Pro, especially if you're going to do a lot of virtual machines and that sort of thing. That may be best for you. But this is Windows 10. It's got the USB, so I'm excited to open that up and see. Here's the back half. Here's the other side. There's the bottom, and then this will slide out, it looks like. So system requirements, it shows you right here in the box, or you can read about it online. A gig of RAM, a gigahertz processor, faster, 20 gigs of hard disk space, a 800 by 600 screen resolution, internet access. So go ahead and open this up. A nice blue box. All right, the first thing I see is a key to Windows 10. I'm not going to show you the back, so that's important. And a nice pop-out box. Pretty cool. This is pretty neat. Ready, set, do. It just shows you that. Ta-da! And there's your USB. And here's how it comes. So step 1, insert USB in the device port, power on your computer, and configure it to boot from the USB drive. If prompted, enter your product key. Read and accept the license term and warranty agreement. So here it is. What else do we have too? A product guide from Microsoft. May just want to keep that in the box, and if you need it as a reference later, great. And the USB drive. Ooh, cool. Windows 10 Home Pro English. I don't know if you can see that, but here it is. I peeled off a sticker on the back, just was blocking this right here. I don't know why. I kept thinking this is supposed to pull out, which is stupid of me. It just plugs right in just as is. So that's it. That's the USB stick. It's really tiny, simple to use. Really cool, personalized little Windows stick. I like the blue color. So great setup right there. It has everything you need. Again, the product key is hidden. See if I can get this back in. Product key is hidden right there. I will not reveal this, or else I won't be able to use it. Here's how it comes. You can go right back in that box too, and you can just keep this for the future too, and keep it in there if you ever have any issues. So really excited about this. The link to buy this, you can get it straight off of Amazon, the Pro and the Home Edition. So go ahead, check it out in the video description, see if it's something you're interested in. You can buy just the software, USB, and I think they still sell DVDs or CDs to install this with. So everything that you would possibly need. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.